Hello. Okay, so I've decided that one of my summer goals is to become a master of the Rubik's Cube. Yeah. I used to have a Rubik's Cube but a long time ago, but it broke, and I had a personal record of like 1 minute and 15 seconds. So my summer goal is to beat that. So I want to get under like 1 minute as my record, but right now I'm about like 2 minutes because I just started again because I just bought another Rubik's Cube. And so I'm gonna be practicing all summer trying to beat my high score. Or my best time, I guess. Not my high score. So I will show you how I do it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching me solve this bad boy. I will see you in my next video.